Mating in the Serengeti. Just go ahead.
Mating in the Serengeti.
Mating in the Serengeti. Damn, hey, I know that.
Go.
That shit was real.
Alright, damn. I'll turn this way. See? Look, go. Turn around and go back to go. The other way. No, you go that way first. Shit. I'm not even moving. Hey, I know. Go that way. You moving? Look, let me help you. Look. You all over here.
Look at the
man.
Look, I can't even narrate what's
Yo. Yo. Just like that, damn it, Bobby. Quit! See how fast she moved? Quit! That shit was hyper speed. I'm trying to move, she won't leave me alone. Like that matrix. Why you keep walking towards me? Go that way. It had that matrix effect to it. So you already? I'm trying to help you. You can't help me. Yo. Go. Go that way. Shit. I am fulfilled. You got the thing pointing at the wall, dude.
Nah, I'm pointing at you.
Why you keep walking towards me? Go that way and clean that shit up. Go. Oh, God. I did that shit before we go her ass sometimes. Make it look like I'm going the fuck off on her. Go. That shit stuck in. Somebody actually looked like I was going the fuck off on her. Quit! She said that shit. She said.
Yeah, look. Ooh, she got the heavy ass fly water too, boy.
Shit. So you're like, no, Chuck, this shit. Go home. Go home. For what? Clean that stuff up.
I'm hungry.
I know.
Well, that concludes Mating in the Serengeti.
The video was over to her after that little piece.
No. Tell it like it is now. I'm going to zoom in all the way.
Alright, now.
Well, let's go ahead and edit that. See you later. He trying to plug. See you later. We're gonna edit out his parts anyway. I'm gonna leave that part in that I just said. So so therefore you didn't get to see nothing that he said because I edited it out. So therefore, bye.